What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here with a really awesome, unique case here from the folks at Andobil. This is a 360 degrees Magsafe kickstand case here that will lift up your lifestyle, that you can use here in the gym. You can use this on your desk, in your office, wherever you need. Now, Andobil did sponsor this video and send this to me complimentary, so I'll have a link down below for the product pricing and availability that you guys can check out here if you think this is awesome. I also have a couple of products that are Magsafe available if you guys are interested. That does help out the channel. With that said, let's go and unbox it here and show you what this looks like. In the case here, it provides everything needed, even including a microfiber case. You can also use these rails here if you wanted to replace some of the buttons here, like a subtle gray, if you wanted a more rich black, or even a cute pink. You can go ahead and do that here and replace it with the clear and white that is already provided. Coming up close here, this is made out of a non-yellowing polycarbonate material here to provide you a crystal clear case so you can see into your black titanium that you opted into. This is going to provide you military drop grade protection, which is great. And it also has this really cool aluminum 360 Magsafe kickstand case to be able to lift up your lifestyle. You've got a punch out here for the camera bump to be able to provide you that protection. It even lifts up slightly on the edges here so it can give you a little more stable case if it lands flat. And then you even have these really cool rubberized inserts that not only provide you protection and insulation, but it also is what allows you to optimize for your lifestyle choice. Here you've got the action button here as well as the volume rocker, power button as well, and on the bottom side here you've got the punch outs there for the I/O. You even have a little lip here for a tassel or if you wanted to have a wrist strap. Now with the new buttons swapped here, I opted into this blackish blue color here. It looks really cool. I really like how that touch is around the edges and providing that nice protection. Now in the hand here, it feels very solid. This polycarbonate TPU material here, the back side as well, having a crystal clear look into my black titanium. I think that looks great. And then you've also got the protection here for your camera array. The rubber pads here that provide insulation and protection around the entire case. I think it looks really cool. You have the option to change it to gray or white or pink, which is really cool. In the hand, as you can see here, it's nice and robust. You can see that it does have this aluminum Magsafe circular kickstand, which is awesome. So you can opt into whichever angle you want to place it on. If you wanted to have it as like an easel or a stand here, you can even have it as a stand here for TikTok, or if you wanted to watch and scroll. What's nice is it's got a protection for the camera bump there. As you can see, it doesn't protrude up. And then around the edges here, it's got a nice bezel here to be able to lift the phone off of its face so it's not scratching necessarily on the screen. I really like that. I have a couple of these third-party products. This is for content creation here. If you wanted to shoot with a Magsafe battery here and a really cool snap-on tripod. You also have a shutter button. This is from ShiftCam. This is their SnapGrip. You have this tripod selfie stick type thing that you can use. If you wanted to, you can opt into this portable battery, which is great. I like to utilize this here on trips, on the go, when I'm heading to and from work. It's nice to have this as well as it charges to Magsafe. Lastly here, if you wanted to have something a little more classy, a little more of your generation here, you can go ahead and snap on these LED lights here that light up. You can go and turn it off, obviously, but if you wanted to show your charging here, you have a 3-in-1 that is really, really nice. You can put your AirPods and your Apple Watch if that's something you're interested in. Or you can also add it as like a little desk buddy here if you wanted to place it and watch Netflix on your desk. You can have the lights going here as it charges. It's really nice to be able to have that. With that said, my Pugnios, I think this is an awesome and no-brainer here. It's really classy. It's one of the most unique cases that I've seen here with this 360-degree turning Magsafe kickstand. I really like how it's crystal clear and it uses non-yellowing polycarbonate material here to be able to, deal with the UV light, as well as giving you a crystal clear peering look into the back of your phone. I opted into the black titanium. It's super cool. I've also got all of these Magsafe devices here that can lift up and accessorize your look here with your phone. With that said, this is Andy with Tech Influence. This is a sponsored video from the folks at Andobil. Down below will be the links in the description, the product pricing and availability, and it does help out the channel. With that said, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.